International Mathematics 0607 22 May June 2025 papers non-calculator 1. Okay, let's go for the first question. Work out 0.02 whole cube, so which is 0.02 0.02 times 0.02 times 0.02. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, so decimal place 2, 4, 6, total 6 decimal place, so we should add 5 zeros. The answer is 0.1234, then 8. Okay, the next one, write the part B in standard form. So we need to move the decimal to here, because from left one decimal place, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 8 into 10 power negative 6. Next, this is a list of number. Question number 2, this is a list of number 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41. From the list, write down all the prime numbers. The prime numbers are 31, then 37 and 41. Next, write the fraction 24 by 64 in the lowest term. So 24 over 64, so I will go for 4 times table. 6 times 4 is 24, so 1 and 16. So still it's possible for 2 times table, 3 and 8. So 3 over 8. No more for the simplification. So 3 over 8 is the answer here. Okay, next, convert 250 centimeter cube into meter cube. So 250 times, so centimeter to meter, because small to big we have to divide by 100. Here 3 centimeters are there, centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, so we need to divide 3 times 1 by 100 times 1 by 100 times 1 by 100. Now it's become meter cube. So here total 6 zeros are there, so we need to move 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, so decimal is here. So 0.00025 meter cube is the answer here. Next one, a quadrilateral has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. It is only chance is trapezium, because that's the only one has one pair of parallel sides. So this and this is parallel, the other two is not parallel. Okay, so the next question 6. Share 120 in the ratio of 2:3. So the first part is going to be, the part is 2 out of 2 plus 3 is 5, out of 5 2 times 120, so 2 and here 120, which is 5 times 2 is 10, then 2 24, so 24 times 2 is 48. The first part is going to be 48. The second part just take away from 120, or we can do the other way. So part is 3 over 5 times 120, which is the same. So here is 24 times 3, 72. Okay, so next, share z is the ratio of xy, the same. Here the first part is going to be x over x plus y times z. The second part is going to be y over x plus y times the part. So exactly you have to write the same, x, the z over x plus y, and y is z over x plus y. Next one, question 7. At a school, 50 students are asked their favorite car color. The table shows the result, colors given, the frequency also is given. So the total frequency is given, which is 50. So the frequency, two things are blue and black is missing, so both are in the same, x and x. So we'll find out 7 plus x plus 15 plus 16 plus x equal to 50. So 7, this is 20, 31, 30, 8. 38 plus 2x equal to 50. 2x equal to 50 minus 38. 2x equal to 12. So x equal to 6. So x first we found the answer is 6. Find the relative frequency of red. Red, there's a 7. So 7 over what total is 50 out of 50. 7. Next question 8. Expand and simplify. So first we go for the first expands. 5 times 2x, which is 10x. 5 times negative 1, which is negative 5. Then negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12x. So 10x minus 12x, which is going to be minus 2x, and minus 5 minus 9, which is minus 14. The answer is minus 2x minus 14. The next one, factorize. So the highest common, so y will bring it outside. So the left is 3 minus y. So y into 3 minus y. This is factorize. Okay, next one again is factorize. So here this is a term, a term. So we'll write it together, 8ax plus 2ay. So next b term, b term. So I'll write first minus 12bx minus 3by. So from here the first 2a is common out. What is left? 4x plus 2. Here also what is common? Minus 3b is common. The left is 4x plus y. This is 4x plus y, sorry. So from this both 4x plus y is common, so bring it out. The left is 2a minus 3b. So that's the answer, 4x plus y into 2a minus 3b. The next question, 3x square plus 5x minus 12. Just factorize. At the extreme, when you multiply minus 36, the middle number is 5. Two numbers, when you add up, we are to get 5. When you multiply, we are to get minus 36, which is 9 and negative 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So 9 times negative 4, negative 36. When you add up 9 and 84, we'll get positive 5. So 3x square. So I'll write here 3x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 12. Only splitting the middle one like this. So bring the highest common, the first two term, which is 3x out. So x plus 3, right, as it is here, x plus 3. So just match negative 12, so which is negative 4 out. So 3x minus 4 into x plus 3. 3x minus 4 into x plus 3. The next question 9. The table shows the marks of scored by each 60 students in a science test. Everything is given. Write down the mode. The mode is highest frequency. 14 is the highest frequency. So 1 is the mode here. Find the interquartile range. Interquartile we need to do third quartile minus the first quartile. Okay, so for that cumulative frequency is required. 2. This is cumulative frequency. To just add up, then 2 plus 14 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, then 31, then 37, then 42, then 43, then 50, 52, 60. Last one we have to get the same, so 60 is correct. Okay, next interquartile range is a third quartile. Interquartile range is going to be third quartile minus the first quartile. Third quartile we need to calculate 3/4 of total frequency, which is 120. 120 is going to be sorry, it's not 160, it's 60. Sorry, that's my mistake. 3/4 of 60, which is going to be 15. 15 times 3 is 45. So 45 falling in here. This is 43, this is 45. So 8 is the mark. for the third quartile. Then quartile 1, 1/4 of 60, which is 15. So 15th one falling here, which is the mark is 1. So 8 minus 1, the answer is 7. So 7 is the interquartile range. Next, question 10. Use set notation to describe each of the shaded region. So the first one, B other than B union with A. So we can write A union B complement. So other than B, B is not there, but union with A. So union should be covered. The next one, so other than Q, yeah, intersection with, okay, so P intersection Q dash. So other than Q, that means entire area going to come intersect with B. That's correct. Next, 11, simplify. Okay, so first one, expand 5 cube is going to be 125x cube. Then divided by 1 power 4 is 1 over x power 4. Okay, now 125x cube, when you change to multiplication, we have to swap x power 4 over 1. 1 is not required. So x cube times x power 4, which is 125x power 7. So 125x power 7 is the answer here. Next, question 12. In this question, all the centimeters. Okay, so solid, down one is cuboid, the up one is pyramid. Okay, so total volume is given. So total volume, so volume of cuboid plus volume of pyramid equal to 32000 is given in the question. We need to find out x. Volume of cuboid, length times breadth times height, which is x times 3x, plus volume of pyramid. Pyramid, the formula is given in the formula area, so which is 1 by 3 base area. So you will get the formula like this: 1 by 3 a into entire area into the height. So you'll get that. So base area is going to be, already here is x, here also x square, which is x square times the height is 3x equal to 32000. So here the first part is 3x cube plus here this 3 got cancelled, which is you will get only x cube equal to 32000. So 3x cube plus x cube, which is 4x cube equal to 32000. X cube equal to, just divide 4 here, which is 8000. So now rid of this 3 here, cube, right side it will become cube root of 8000. X equal to cube root of 8 is 2, then 30 become 10. So x equal to 20 we showed. This is the one you need to show that. It's done. Next, question 13. Here show that x equal to 5. So we'll take first triangle here, this triangle. So we are using circuit to, this is x is going to be the we are using sine 30. So this is your opposite and this is the hypotenuse, because opposite of 90 degree always hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse involved in, so yeah, so sine 30 equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 30, the value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal to x by 10. Okay, so when you move 10 to this side, what will happen? No, so 10 over 2 equal to x, so 5 equal to x, so x equal to 5 here, the answer. So yeah, this is show that we showed. Okay, next one, find the value of y. So now we know x equal to 5 here, so find the value of y. Now we'll take other triangle. This also right angle triangle is given, so we'll use two sides. We know we are finding the third side, we are using Pythagoras. So hypotenuse, so y equal to square root of 13 square minus 5 square, because 13 is a hypotenuse. 13 square minus 5 square equal to y square, so y equal to square root of. So the answer is 169 minus 25, which is square root of 144, which is equal to 12. So y equal to 12 is the answer here. Next question 14. Find the lowest common multiple LCM of this expression. So the first one 2x cube y power 4. Second one is 3x square z cube. The third one is the 4 we can write as 2 square and y square and z. So first check 2, the highest is 2 square and the 3 is left. So 2 square times 3. Then x, the highest is x cube, and the y, the highest is y power 4, and the z, the highest is z cube. So this is 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer is 12 x cube y power 4 is z cube. So that's the answer here. Next one, question 15. An unbiased die is number 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Zaira rolls the die 3 times. Find the probability that Zaira rolls an odd number 2 and more. So at least 2 odd must be there. The chances are, so probability of 3 times rolling, probability of either that can be all odd or probability of 2 odd must be there. So odd, odd and even, or probability of probability of odd, even, odd, or probability of even, odd, odd. Okay, so this 3 are 2 even and 1 odd, this all same. The first one is going to be odd. How many odds are there? Which is 2 odds. So probability of 2 by 6 times 2 by 6 times 2 by 6. So 3 odds plus this same, all 3 are 2 odds and 1 even is there. So 3 times, okay, first odd is going to be odd, which is 2 by 6. Second odd is again 2 by 6. Third is even. Even how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 by 6. So when we simplify 2 by 6, we'll get 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into, here what you will get, this is 1 by 3 times 1 by 3 times 2 by 3. So when you multiply the second here, which is 1 by 27 and plus 3 into 2 by 27, which is 1 by 27 plus 6 by 27, which is 7 by 27. The answer is 7 by 27. Next, to find the next term and the nth term of each term. The first one, the next term is going to be, each one is increased like 2, 2, 2, 2, keep going 2. The first term is going, next term is going to be 22, and this is, okay, the formula say in the term a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the first term is 12. 12 plus n minus 1, the difference is going to be 2. So 12 plus 2n minus 2, which is 12 minus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2n. So 2n plus 10, that's the nth term. Next one, so here is a geometric one. We have to divide it by 3, divided by 3, keep dividing by 3 here. So next term is going to be 1 by 3. Okay, the nth term, a n equal to a into r power n minus 1. A is the first term, r is the ratio, which is 1 by 3 and power n minus 1. This is the answer, 81, 1 by 3 n minus 1. Next question 17. The diagram shows a circle, center O, AO, BP is a straight line, BC is a tangent of the circle, angle AOC is 116, angle OAC OAC. First we need to find this angle. This is very simple. OA and OC are the radius of the circle. OA and OC. Radius is always equal in a circle. How many radius we draw, the radius equal. So it's become an isosceles triangle. So all three angles equal to 190. Take away this 116. The rest is just make it half, because these two angles are equal for the isosceles triangle. The opposite of equal sides are equal. So here we need to do 180 minus 116 by 2. We'll get the answer, which is 180 minus 116 is going to be, this is 4 and 6, 64 by 2, which is 32. The first answer is 32 degree. Next, angle ABC. ABC. So this angle here is also same, which is, this is 116. So this straight line, which is 64. So here also same. OB and OC are the radius of the circle. So the rest is going to be make it half. So it is, the rest is 116, because 180 minus 64 is 116 by 2, which is 58. So the angle is 58 degree. Next, angle ADC. ADC. So we need to find this angle. Now this is cycle A, B, C, D, all 4 points on the circle. So we'll say this is cyclic quadrilateral. So always the opposite angles must be 180 degree, sum of opposite angles. Already we know one angle, this is 58. So 180 minus 58. Just we do 180 minus 58. It is going to be 2, then 2, 1. So the answer is 122 degree. Next, angle APC. APC. APC is here. So I'm taking this triangle. We know the rule, radius and the tangent become always 90 degree. Radius and tangent become 90 degree. So this is 90, this is 64. Just take away the rest, because all three angles equal to 180 degree. So 180 minus 64 plus 90, which is 180 minus 154. So the answer is going to be 26 degree. So 26 degree here. Next is 18. Question 18. Apples cost is 2.50 per kilogram. So the total cost of x kg apples and y kg apples is 10. So 2.50 x plus y. Some numbers we don't know the sum numbers, so I'll write just y equal to 10. So find the, okay, from make a subject of y here, 10 minus 2.5x, because 2.5 I'll bring it right side. So now I'll make 1 kg. So this one I want to make it 1. So we have to divide y both the side. 10 minus 2.5x over y. Thus answer 10 minus 2.5x over y. The next question, the function 1 f of x equal to 1 by 5x minus 4. So we need to find f of 2. Just plug in x equal to 2. So our answer is going to be 1 over 5 times 2 minus 4, which is 1 minus 10 minus 4. 1 over 10 minus 4, which is 1 over 6. So 1 over 6 is the answer here. Next, f of x equal to 1 over 11. So f of x 1 by 5x minus 4 equal to 1 over 11. Just bring cross multiply. So it becomes, I'll write here. So this one will bring it here. This one will bring it here. 11 equal to 5x minus 4, because 1 time 5x minus 4 is 5x minus 4. So bring the 4 here. 11 plus 4 equal to 5x, which is 15 equal to 5x. So bring the 5 here. By division, 15 over 5 equal to x. So which is 3. X equal to um, 3. Next one, do f inverse of x. So f of x equal to 1 by 5x minus 4. So I'll take as a y equal to 1 by 5x minus 4. Swap x and y. So x equal to 1 by 5y minus 4. Now make a subject of y. So I'll bring 5y minus 4 here and bring the x this side. So it become 1 by x. So here make a subject of y. 5y equal to 1 by x plus 4. So on right side make a single 5y equal to so 1 plus 4x over x. So bring the 5 here. So y equal to 1 plus 4x over 5x. So the answer is 1 plus 4x over 5x. This is the final answer here. I'll erase this part. Okay, next question, rationalize the denominator. So denominator, we need to rid of the square root. So root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. So we need to multiply the opposite sign of the denominator. So root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2. So numerator will become root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. So when we multiply, root 3 times root 3 is 3, and yeah, so root 3 minus root 6, and again minus root 6 and plus 2. Okay, so the answer is 5 minus 2 root 6 numerator. The denominator, so root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. So the same 3 minus root 6 plus root 6 and minus 2. So rid of this, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the numerator is going to be 5 minus 2 root 6 over 1. So the answer is 5 minus 2 root 6. Next one, expand and simplify. So here the same multiplication, root x plus 1 times root x plus 1 is going to be 1d x plus 1, and the next part root x plus 1, okay, plus root x into root x plus 1, then minus root x into root x plus 1, then minus x here. So this part cancel, plus and minus, also minus x plus x cancel, which is equal to 1. 1 is the answer here. Next question, the line L is perpendicular to the line with the equation y equal to 2x plus 1. The line L passes through the point 3, 12. Find the equation of the line. So from this equation, so the gradient is going to be 2. This is the gradient whose the number was there and close to the 2. That's a gradient. Now find the perpendicular one. So perpendicular m equal to, we have to take the negative reciprocal. So negative 1 by 2. So the new line equation is going to be, the line equation formula y equal to mx plus c. So here now we got new m, which is y equal to minus 1 by 2x plus c, which is so we need to just plug in the point, passing through point is given. So 12 minus 1, 12 equal to minus 1 by 2 times 3 plus c. Find the value of c. 12 equal to minus 3 by 2 plus c. Bring 3 by 2 here. 12 plus 3 by 2 equal to c. Make LCM. So 12 times 2, 24. 24 plus 3, 27 by 2 equal to c. So the required equation is going to be, so just plug in here the c value. So y equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 27 over 2. That's a required equation here. The next one, the shortest distance from the point 3 comma 12 to the line. Okay, both the lines shortest distance. Suppose one line is passing through here, another line is passing through here. The shortest distance always with a 90-degree one is the shortest distance. So obviously this two line, because one is perpendicular other, so we need to solve both the equation. So we'll get the intersection point. Okay, so y equal to 2x plus 1, one equation, another equation y equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 27 over 2. So we will get the intersect point. So so I can equate 2x plus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 27 by 2. Because left side is equal, right side must be equal. So I'll bring this 2x plus 1 by 2x equal to 27 by 2 minus 1. I'll bring this negative 1 here. So 2x plus 1 by 2x, which is 2 times 2 is here. The x should be in the top. So 4x plus x, 5x over 2 equal to 27 minus 2. We have to make LCM here, 27 by 2. So 27 minus 2 by 2, which is 25 over 2 rid off. Okay, so 5x equal to 25, x equal to 5. We got the coordinate, one coordinate x, the intersect coordinates x equal to 5. Just plug in this value here, so we'll get y. So 2 times 5 is 10 and 11. Already we know the other coordinate, which is 3 comma 12 is given already. Find the distance formula. So distance is already given, which is root k equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 5, which is minus 2 whole square, plus 12 minus 11, which is 1 square. So square root of 4 plus 1, square root of 5. So square root of k equal to square root of 5. So k equal to 5 is the answer. Yeah, that's the end of paper.